This video is the continuation of my last video where we had discussed about what is osteoarthritis, and we also discussed how to manage it at home and some of the most effective home remedies which helps you to manage the pain during osteoarthritis. As promised in my last video, today we are going to learn these exercises which are going to be very effective and can be done at home. These exercises will help you to manage the osteoarthritis and also going to help you to improve the muscle strength around your knee joint. And in turn, you will be benefited because improving the muscle strength will reduce the pressure on our knee joints. Hi everyone. I am Dr. Panki Sharma, physical therapist by profession, practicing from last 15 years, and I have been treating many complicated cases on osteoarthritis through effective exercises. So let's start. The first exercise is the knee isometric exercise, and this is going to improve the strength of the quadriceps muscles, that is the front of the thigh. For this, I am sitting on a mat, but my advice for you is to do it on a bed so that you avoid sitting down. Take a towel roll like this and then place it just below the knee joint. Now slowly tighten your thighs and try to press the towel downwards with the help of your knee joints. Don't press it too hard and don't make your knee completely extended position or hyperextension position. Just slightly tighten your thigh muscles and that is enough. You need to hold the position initially just for 3 to 5 seconds and then relax it. This exercise you have to repeat it for 10 times. And slowly, as you are able to do this exercise, after a week or so, you can hold it up to 10 seconds instead of 3 seconds. Repetitions will be the same, that is 10 times repetitions. Now let's move to the next exercise. Second exercise, we are going to take the same position on a bed and then same towel roll, you are going to place it between your knee joints. And this time we are trying to press the towel between our knees. So we are pressing both the thighs together, and while doing that, you'll feel the contraction or tightness near your inner thighs, and we are working this exercise to improve the strength of the inner thighs. All these exercises are strength training exercises without much of movements, or in fact no movements, and this type of exercise is called isometric exercise, which can be safely done at any time and it's not going to harm your joints. Same way as the first exercise, second exercise also initially only 3 seconds hold, and as you are able to do the exercise more easily after a week or 10 days, you can hold the contraction for 10 seconds and repeat it for 10 times. Now let's move to the third exercise. The third exercise is to improve the strength of the outer thighs, and for this we are going to lie down on our side lying position. This exercise is called clamshell exercise, and in this side lying position we are going to make our body in a zigzag position so that knee is little forwarded and ankles are little behind. Now in this position, relax your head comfortably and keeping your feet intact, just raise the knee, the top leg knee upwards. Suppose you are lying down like me on your left side, then your right knee has to go apart from the left knee as shown in the exercise. And do this exercise slowly and see to that the knee is not moving too much apart. If you move it too much apart, your hip joints start rolling behind. That we don't want to happen. We have to just raise the knee so that we feel the contraction only on our outer thighs. And this clamshell exercise, we are going to repeat it for 10 times. Initial 7 to 10 days, we are going to do these 3 exercises only, and slowly your muscles will adapt to the exercise and you will be able to slowly add up more exercises. So apart from these exercises, I am going to show you right here 2 more new exercises, and these exercises we have to start only after 7 to 10 days of this old exercises. Now for this exercise, you are going to lie down flat on your back. Fold both the knees first and then slowly straighten one leg. Now in this position, raise your right leg or the straight leg up to the level of the knees of the other leg, and do this movement up and down, slow movement, very comfortably do it, and with a controlled manner do it for 10 repetitions. If 10 repetitions is difficult in the initial days, you can start with 5 and increase 1 counts every day and reach it up to 10 repetitions. The last exercise which I am going to show you is to improve the range of your knee joint, and this exercise, very carefully do it only in your pain-free range. Now for this exercise, lie down flat on your back, keep your legs straight, slowly slide your heel and fold the knees and extend the knees. While doing this exercise, very important is to what level you need to fold the knees. You need to fold to such level where you don't feel any pain. So that range will be different for different people. Whatever is your pain-free range, up to that only you need to fold and extend it.